Hey everyone and welcome back. Trying to decide if ElevenLabs free plan is enough for your needs in 2026. Let me break down what you actually get and where you need to upgrade. The free plan gives you 1,0,0,0,0 credits per month. On the multilingual model, that is about 10 minutes of audio or 20 minutes if you use the Flash Model 0, you get access to basic text-to-speech sound effects and voice design. But here's the deal breaker. The free plan has no commercial license at all. That means you cannot use any audio you generate for YouTube videos client work or anything monetized. You must also attribute ElevenLabs in your content. The moment you publish anything revenue adjacent you, need the starter plan at $5 per month. Starter gives you 3,0,0,0,0 credits, about 30 minutes of audio plus commercial rights and instant voice cloning. So is free enough? For personal testing only, yes. For any real content creation, absolutely not. If you use ElevenLabs for YouTube or paid work, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.